welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing my Silhouette Cameo 4. I just got it yesterday, so I wanted to wait and show you guys what I got going on in here, how it looked, all that. So let's get to it. So okay, here we go. All right, this is super exciting. I have been wanting one of these. I actually got a Silhouette Cameo 3, so this is an upgrade for me. So this would make my second Silhouette. I'm super fan. So first, I got a mat, which is cool. All right. Okay, my power source. What is this? This looks like, okay, I know this is the cord that that plugs from the machine to your computer. I guess USB cord, I think. And then I don't know what these little babes are at. Oh, my auto blade. And I don't know what these little things are. If you know what they are for, leave that down in the comment section below and let me know what that's exactly for. I think it's for the little marker or sketch pens. I think that's what that's for. But got that. Okay, and little sheet that has all of the setup information. And I was really excited about getting this machine because I love how it looks, and it's supposed to be much faster than most other craft cutting machines. Okay, I'm super excited. Super excited. All right, so let me see here. It's actually relatively, where are the buttons? Okay, well, I don't see no buttons, so I'm okay. Well, no, I still don't see buttons. All right, so we'll figure this out together. All right, you guys, there's something in the back here. I don't know what this is. Okay, there's something in the back. All right. I'm surprised this is super chic, first of all. Like, the way it's set up and the way it looks is so fancy. So I'm trying to figure out exactly how to, it's a lot of plastic up here. I'm trying to figure, wait a minute, here, wait a minute, more tape. First of all, let's take that back. Let's take it back. Did y'all see that? Rewind. Did you see that? Now, that's fancy. The Silhouette Cameo 3, I actually thought that was pretty fancy, considering that it kind of opens, the case opens like this. That's really fancy. Okay, I'm intrigued here. But why do I feel like it's backwards? What is this? Sorry, y'all. What is this? This feels like a piece of foam. This is not. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This is like really, really fancy looking. I feel like it's actually smaller than a Silhouette Cameo 3. So hold tight. Okay, you guys. This here is the Silhouette Cameo 3. right here. So see how it opens up like this? This is the Silhouette Cameo 4. So it looks like it is about an inch smaller. That's what it looks like. It is. It's about an inch smaller. And then, as you see, it opens like this. But this one opens like that. And this one has the little touch screen thingamajiggy here. Before, actually doesn't have any buttons at all. The touch screen, if I'm not mistaken, is on one of these panels, and I think you light it up. From what I've seen, you light it up. When you plug it up, it lights up on its own. So that's pretty cool. Okay, there's all this tape, which I'm not mad at. Okay, this here, if I'm not mistaken, is this that? I think that's the roller function. I don't know if the Silhouette Cameo 3 has that. If it does, I don't use it. Excuse my son in the background, y'all. There is something. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Hold on a second. What is this in the back? What is this? Hold on a second. What is this? I don't know what this is. I'm gonna do some research, but if you guys know exactly what this thing is for, again, leave it in the comments below, because I have no idea what it is. And again, this is in, oh, I think I know. I'm wondering, is this some sort of cutter? If it is, that would be amazing. So far, how it looks, I think it's pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool looking. I'm super excited to have it. I am excited to see it in comparison to. I'll probably run them at the same time and then let you guys do another video and let you guys see how fast one is over the other. And yeah, I think this is pretty dope. So you guys leave pictures down below if you got your Silhouette. What color do you have? Because it comes in white, black, and pink. So leave pictures down below and let me know what color you have, if you like it, if you're a Cricut Maker fan, or if you're a Silhouette Cameo 3 and 4 fan, or whatever kind you have. I will do a review on this after I've used it a couple times to let you know if I actually like it more than the other. And you guys, thank you for coming to my channel. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you come back for more videos. Exclusive.